Alright, good morning. I'm doing a Master Lock 931. It's a green belt lock, 5-pin, should be all spools. So with this one, we're going to go bottom of the keyway, tension. I normally go top of the keyway, but this one, it just makes it a little easier to hold on to it once you unlock it, so your tension doesn't slip out when you're... Alright, I'm going to start with number 5 here. Alright, 5, little false set. Oof. 4, stayed in the false set. 3, 2, and then let's see if I can even find 1, and then 1. All right, and it is open. It kind of do it. All right, this one very simple, but it's good for spool practice. Luckily, this one was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You don't see that very often. And yeah, see you on the next lock.